Hi, this is Ron with Amazing Mile Marker Stops, checking back in with you. A few things to update. We stayed one night on Sisters Creek free dock that Jacksonville's provided, and we got some good pictures that we put up on the website for you to see. We also went by the Metropolitan Park Marina, which is a free dock provided by Jacksonville. We also got some pictures of that for you to see, and got some listings there that hopefully will be up on the website soon. Sometimes it takes our IT guys a couple days to get things posted once we find them, but that'll be up soon for you to have information if you want to go stay there at the free dock. Again, you can stay at those free docks for up to 72 hours at no charge, and you can even go from one dock straight to the other. We're sad to see though that the Jacksonville Landings free dock, which is a place we've enjoyed many times, apparently was very badly damaged by the hurricanes that came through here, and it is closed. So you cannot stop at the Jacksonville Landing free docks, and we'll keep you posted when those get reopened. We hope that'll be soon. We decided to pull in. I think I told you all about our battery issues. So we stopped in at Ortega Landing Marina. That's where we've been at since yesterday. I'm gonna flip this around and let y'all see the marina. It's a really beautiful marina. There you go. I'm getting this figured out. All right, this is us in our slip right here. And you can kind of get a picture of the marina and the boats in it. Sometimes the pilings get in the way. It's a pretty good sized marina. A lot of activity. A lot of people on their boats, which we don't get to see at our home port, so this is really nice to see all the activity going on. It started out a wet, rainy morning, cold, but it ended up being a beautiful day now, as you can see, although I spent most of the morning dealing with the battery issues. So this is the new batteries that I had to run around to several different places to locate enough batteries, and each of those bigger batteries, the small one is a cranking battery for our generator. We've never had one before, so that's going to be a dedicated battery so that we don't get stuck on the hook. We'll have a battery to start our generator, which can recharge the other batteries. The other batteries though weigh 64 pounds a piece. As you can see, there's 8 of them, and I now have to take all 8 of those batteries and bring them up and over and into here, down into our engine room, which can be a climb, and then I have to wiggle them around and get them into there. And at the same time, of course, I've got to get all those batteries out and pull them up. So that's going to be my project for the time being. And oh boy, the sun's shining right there. Down in our engine room, I'm going to get all those batteries installed, and hopefully that'll solve that problem. We had a mechanic on board earlier today to deal with the fuel issue we had with our generator. We think we've solved that. It was somebody never hire people that aren't trained mechanics, I guess is the message. But I had people helping me do some of the restorations, and they plumbed a fuel line up to the wrong location, and it was pushing fuel through the generator and coming back out. Luckily we caught that in time before it started pumping overboard, and but I had to mop all that up last night, and part of my run around today was buying parts to replumb that properly, so we'll solve that problem. And so anyway, later tonight we hope to go out and see some of the sights of Ortega Landing area, find some amazing mile marker stops for you, and get those up on our website as well. And so as always, subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with what we're doing, and also flip over to our website, amazingmilemarkerstops.com, and give us a shout on Facebook as well. We always love to hear from everybody. And if you know of any amazing stops, let us know. You get yourself some free stuff. And in the meantime, we'll keep updating you of every place that we find. So remember, don't just cruise, visit AmazingMileMarkerStops.com. Thank you.